Recently, the UK water industry has been in the news, with even the Financial Times raising concerns with regard to productivity and financial performance levels in the industry. In its 2019 price review, Ofwat, the water industry regulator, will need to ensure that it properly funds the operations and continuing environmental improvements of the water industry. However, it also needs to ensure that it provides fair prices for consumers. On May 23rd, Loughborough University's Centre for Productivity and Performance is hosting a workshop on the water industry. The workshop will consider two important themes. The first, productivity and performance trends in the industry since privatization in 1990. The second, how Ofwat should assess costs as it moves forward in the 2019 price review. Confirmed speakers at the workshop include senior representatives from Ofwat, the Water Industry Commission for Scotland, Anglian Water, Severn Trent Water, and several other organisations. Given the high level of academic, industry, and regulatory expertise at the workshop, anyone interested in the water industry should attend.